The His Radio family is so loving and kind and generous. And so I came across this opportunity for us to help a little 2-year-old all together. His name is Freddie. He's absolutely adorable. He's fighting leukemia, been doing that since January. He also has Down syndrome, and he's going through his second round of treatment at MUSC right now. So his mom, Joanne, is asking people to send cards and games and books because Freddie's third birthday is coming up on Friday, June 14th, and he's going to be spending that in the hospital.
That's this Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So you need to do this quickly.
Yeah, sure do.
But even if it arrives late, that's still special. I like when my birthday presents arrive like spread out because it just makes it more fun, you know?
The celebration continues and it doesn't end. Yeah.
Exactly. So I think that's totally fine. But I would just love to see this little boy find some joy through the love of strangers.
I know you said how old he was, but how was it? Because I missed that.
He's going to be 3.
Gonna be 3 on Friday.
Yes.
Oh, my word.
Yes.
Okay. So here's what we have set up for you. There's a keyword, and the keyword just happens to be Freddie. It's his name, Freddie. So text Freddie to 800-447-7234. We'll immediately send you the address, and then you can send the games and the cards and everything to him.
Yeah, I've got a couple books for us to send and a card.
Oh,
so.
for real?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
We love you, Freddie. You're going to make it. Do not give up. And we're praying for the parents. Oh, my word. To walk through that. Can you just imagine how much love that they'll receive when you do this for them? Okay, the word is Freddie at 800-447-7234.